Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off keeping deleted contacts for 30 days in our Samsung S22. When we delete a contact from our phone book, by default it is kept for 30 days in our trash bin. So how to turn off this option so we can delete our contacts immediately. Contacts, then these three lines here and cog on the top right, and here we have our trash option. By default it's turned on. So what does it do? As I said, keep deleted contacts for 30 days. Now to turn it off, we simply tap this option and yes, turn it off, back out, and that's it. Our contact will be deleted immediately. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.